Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Inshallah, in today's session, we will learn the sounds of these letters. Tha, tha, tha. They all are pronounced from the same articulation point. When the top of the tip of the tongue touches the bottom edge of the upper two incisor or those bunny teeth, these letters are pronounced. Essentially, the tongue sticks out a bit, not too much though. Let's start with the letter Tha. When you say it's sakin with alif fatha, with a light touch, it's ath. Reader can hear the breath. This breath is hams. Remember to say it with a lighter touch. Hams is also one of the characteristics of the letter Tha. When reading sakin, stay on the sound or prolong it and let the air keep passing. Like ath. We follow the mouth's movement while reading the harakas. Brief recall of them are with the fatha, open your mouth, with the kasra, drop your lip, and lastly with the dhamma, make your lips round first and then say the sound. They all have been discussed in detail in the previous sessions. Now the letter Dha, with the same articulation point but completely different sound. With letter Tha, the reader relies on the sound and the breath. But the letter Dha, tongue is touching the same part of the upper teeth, but this time, instead of relying on the breath, rely on the sound only. Like adh. Stay on the articulation point. You will feel the vibration sound. Keep the sound running. Don't finish the sound quickly like adh. And then with the running sound, it's adh. Let's do both letter sounds together. With fatha, it's ath and adh. And in a word with the shadda, the sound will be kadhabu. First read the sakin dha in the word kadha, and then haraka one kadhabu. And in tha, same pattern atha, athamarat. Few words with the kasra and the dhamma here. Al-mabthuth bu'thira fakhudhuhu alladhina. Letter Dha. This is the last letter of the group. The tip and the top of the tip of the tongue touches the bottom of the two top incisors. The tongue does stick out of the teeth, and the sound of Dha with the fatha is Dha. This is a heavy letter. Back of the tongue is raised. Tip of the tongue is also raised to touch the incisors, and the middle part of the tongue is like in a arch shape. And the sound gets compressed a bit with the echo effect. Dha, dhu, dhi. With sukoon, it's a stay on a sound. In Surah Mulk, it comes minal ghaidh. Remember not to let the air pass. And don't press the tongue too hard as well. Letter Dha with the fatha and the kasra and the dhamma sounds are Nadhara, Dhalimina, Yadhunnuna, Azim. And here we are at the end of another articulation point session. Jazakumullahu khairan.